Hello guys, welcome back to EduMoon tutorial series. Today we are going to discuss the second part of the lecture, which includes operators and expressions. Operator. An operator is a symbol used to perform particular operation on operands. What are these operands? Operands are nothing but the data and variables. Operators are used to manipulate this data and variable. Types of operators. We have 8 types of operators. They are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operator, bitwise operators, and special operators. This sequence of operands and operators that reduces themselves to a single value is called an expression. Let us see the arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators are the basic operators. They are unary plus, unary minus, multiplication, division, and modulo operator. How does these operators work? They work along with the operands. Consider the given arithmetic expression a plus b. So in this expression, the unary plus is adding two variables a and b. In arithmetic operators, we have two types of operations. They are integer arithmetic and real arithmetic. When both the operands in a single arithmetic expression are integers, they are called integer arithmetic. Likewise, when the operands are real operands, they are called real arithmetic. A plus b equal to 10 provided a and b are integers is called an integer arithmetic. In real arithmetic, as we discussed in data types, if x is a float data type and 6.0 by 7.0 on division will give a float value which is 0.8571. So this is a real arithmetic and this is an integer arithmetic. The second type of operators is the relational operators. When we have to compare two quantities and take a certain decision, we use the relational operators. The relational operators are less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. In the relational operators, we consider the expression a less than b. If this expression is true, the result will be 1, and if this expression is false, the result will be 0. So 1 is equivalent to true and 0 is equivalent to false. The third type is the logical operator. Logical operators have 3 operators, which is logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. When we have to combine 2 or more relational expressions, it is called as a logical expression. Consider the statement a greater than b and x is equal to 10. This logical expression is true only if a is greater than b and x is equal to 10. If either of them tend to be false, the expression will return 0 or false. If it is true, the expression will return 1 or true. Following the logical operators, we have the assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign the result of expression to the variable. So the value of this expression is assigned to this variable. The assignment operator is nothing but equal to, which we already saw in the previous lectures. A is assigned a value of a plus 1. Likewise, a minus 1, a into n plus 1, a divided by n plus 1, and a modulo division of b. The shorthand notations of these are nothing but a plus equal to 1, which is nothing but a is assigned a value of a incremented by 1. The next type is the increment and the decrement operators. They are plus plus and minus minus. These operators are used extensively for while and for loops. How do they work? So consider this example, m is equal to 5 and y is equal to plus plus m. So plus plus m is the pre-increment operator. So this operator increments the value of m first and assigns it to y. So now after this operation, what is the value of m? It gets incremented. So it is 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6, and y is 6. So coming to m plus plus, which is the post increment operator, we have m is equal to 5 and y is m plus plus. So first m is assigned to y. So what is m here? 5. 5 is assigned to y, and after assigning it gets incremented. So m gets incremented by 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 is assigned to m. Let us look at the conditional operator. The conditional operator uses the ternary operator pair to construct conditional expressions of the form expression 1, question mark, expression 2, colon, expression 3. How does this work? Initially, the expression 1 is evaluated first. If it is true, then the expression 2 is evaluated second and becomes the value of expression. If expression 1 is false, then expression 3 is evaluated and it becomes the value of the expression. Consider the following statements. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 15, and this is the conditional expression. X is equal to A greater than B, question mark, A colon B. If A greater than B, so is A greater than B 10 greater than 15? No, it is false. So when it is false, it goes to B and it returns the B value. So when it is false, so it returns the B value. What is B? 15. So X is assigned B value, which is nothing but 15. Another type of operators are the bitwise operators. Bitwise operators manipulate data at bit level. These operators may not be applied to float or double. The bitwise operators are AND, OR, bitwise exclusive OR, shift left and shift right. The last type of operators are the special operators. In special operators, we have the comma operator, the size of operator, the pointer operators, and the member selection operators. We will discuss about the pointer and the member selector operators in the upcoming lectures. Let us have a look at the comma operator. So comma operator is nothing but it just links the expressions together. Consider here x is 10, y is 15 and x plus y. All are linked together using a comma operator and are assigned to a value. So coming to the size of operator. Size of operator is a compile time operator. What it does is it calculates the number of bytes the operand occupies. Consider this. M is equal to size of sum. So it calculates the number of bytes sum occupies and assigns it to m. Normally, in case of arrays and structures, when sizes are not known to the programmer, the size of operator determines the length of arrays and structures. So that's all about operators, guys. Following the operators, we have another important topic, which is the expressions. An expression is a combination of operators and operands which reduces to a single value. Consider the example sum equal to a plus b. What are the operands here? The operands are a and b. And what is the operator? Addition operation is being performed here and the operator is plus. The categories of expression are based on the number of operators, the number of operands, and the position of the operators. The primary expression. The primary expression is usually a name, a constant, or a parenthesized expression. Example would be C equal to A plus parenthesis 5 into B. The postfix expression. In the postfix expression, the operator will be after the operands. The operator will be after the operands, like A plus plus. So the postfix expression would be Z equal to A plus plus. And for the prefix, the operator would be before the operands. The operator would be before the operands, like plus plus A. So Z will be equal to plus plus A. The unary expression. In the unary expression, it contains one operator and one operand. So it's basically a single statement which is nothing but A plus plus. That's all. Or minus minus B. In the binary expression. The binary expression, it contains two operands and one operator. That is nothing but A plus B or C into D. Another expression is the ternary expression, which we already saw earlier. So it is nothing but expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3. So that's all about this expressions, guys. See you in the next lecture.